In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable table suggestions in Google Sheets using the suggestions controls. If you're working with Google Sheets and want to have full control over your data without the software interrupting with automated suggestions, you're in the right place. Some of us may find these suggestions quite disruptive when we're in the flow of creating our tables and entering our data. So, let's dive into how you can quickly and easily disable them. First off, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. This is the document where you likely already have some data, or simply a blank sheet if you're starting a new project. Once you have your sheet open, you'll want to navigate to the top menu. There, you'll see a tab labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on it. It's located just a couple tabs over from File and Edit, positioned conveniently at the top of your screen for easy access. Following this, a drop-down menu will appear, and what you're looking for is the Suggestion Controls option. When you select this, you'll see options related to table suggestions. What you should do next is find and click on Enable Table Suggestions. If you see a check mark next to this option, it means that the table suggestions are currently enabled and active. Now you'll be focusing on disabling these suggestions. This process involves a bit more than just a one-click maneuver. After you've clicked to access the Enable Table Suggestions setting, you should notice an option called Highlight. Go ahead and click on it. This helps visually indicate if suggestions are still affecting your sheet's current state. Now let's go back to the Tools menu. Yes, that's right, you'll need to click on it again. So head back up to the tools at the top of your screen. Once you've clicked on it, navigate down to Suggestion Controls once more. You're retracing your steps here to ensure everything is configured as you desire. After selecting Suggestion Controls for the second time, you'll now click on Enable Table Suggestions again. By doing this, it should now be toggled off, meaning the check mark should no longer be present. Once you do this, you've successfully disabled the table suggestions. Finally, to cement these changes, click on a cell within your sheet. This action allows you to verify that your settings are correct and suggestions are indeed disabled. By following these steps, you regain full control over how you manage and interact with your data in Google Sheets without unnecessary interruptions. Remember, you can always re-enable suggestions if needed by following these steps in reverse. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your Google Sheets productivity.